Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Anybody tell me in a chat box? Can you hear me? It is audible now? Yes. Today, demo class only. Don't write it anything. Just whatever fundamental I'm telling, just observe it enough today. Okay? Yeah, first time. Today, we are going to start Oracle 19C. Everyone knows Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This is a software product. Here 19 is a version number. 1978 onwards, year onwards, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three combination of versions are also called as Oracle 8i, next Oracle 9i, next Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the version numbers. Okay. One of the version is 19. Okay, don't worry. Here C means, what is C? Anybody have an idea? Very good. Cloud technology, cloud computing. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology. It will be supported. Okay, fine. Cloud database, this one. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, anybody have an idea? Java, .NET, C++, these type of languages are also called as object-oriented languages. Same like Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these type of softwares are also called as database softwares. These are basically database softwares. What is that one? I will tell you. Don't worry. What is database? I will tell you. That's why basically Oracle is a what? One of the popular database software. One of the popular database software. Now check it out. Screen observe it here. Oracle is a 19C. Oracle is a database software. That is everyone knows. Now concentrate here. What is the purpose of the database software means I will tell you. But before we are going to start this one, what is database? For example, whenever I'm installing Oracle software in my system, then automatically some place is created in a disk. This place is also called as database. Database is a place, same like a container. In this place only we are storing a data in electronic format, in a computerized system. In the olden days, you are also data storing in a books and files. These type of traditional systems we are using. But in a computerized system, so nowadays, all big companies or small companies, in a industry also, storing a data permanently in an organized fashion in an electronics format, that is nothing but a database. Okay. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is created in a disk only. That is called database. I know, you know, everyone knows this is a place. Okay, na? Yeah. Now correctly tell me. Now correctly guess it. Now in this database, you try to store a what? In a random collection of data, possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? You try to store a what? In a random collection of data into this database, possible or not possible? Very good. Everyone telling a what? Wrong answer. Possible, they are telling wrong one. That is not possible. We cannot store a random collection of data in this database. Why? Because Oracle is one of the popular database was implemented based on relational data model is a concept. That's why it does not store a random collection of data. Suppose SQL Server is a popular product from Microsoft. In this product also, we are not allowed to store random collection of data. MySQL is an open source. in this database also, we are not allowed to store random collection of data. That's why these all database softwares nowadays, 80% of the database softwares was implemented based on one concept is there, relational data model. What is relational data model? Later I will tell you. Yes, in that model based only which softwares, which database softwares are implemented, those softwares only stores a structured collection of data. That is important. Suppose not a random collection of data. MongoDB means random collection of data. This is structured collection of data. Observe here. Actually, data is stored in the format of tables, organized fashion. Why? Because EF code only introducing a what? This relational data model. Yes, because he is basically mathematician. That's why he is represented data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but a what? Rows and columns. Okay, same like a tables nowadays. No? Yeah. That's why always these type of Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these databases stores a what? Which type of data? Structured collection of data. Here, structured collection of data only stores a what? Structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. Okay, permanently data is storing in a secondary storage devices. And now observe here, once organized fashion only data is storing in this place. Now I am also, you are also operating a data by using a what? Which language? Anybody having idea? Maybe some Java developers having idea. Which language through we are operating a data? Very good. SQL is a language. That is a structured query language. Very easiest language. Here, this is a non-procedural language. In this language, loops are not there, variables are not there. Okay, conditional statements are not there. Okay, simplest language only, same like English type language only. Some commands, anybody can also learn what this language, that much of easy. This language was introduced by EF code. Which person was implemented a what? A relational data model. Same person only invented a what? This special language, SQL language. By using this language, we are operating a what? Data in relational data model products. Either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase or Informix, Ingress, Postgres. These all relational data model products are operating by using a what? SQL is a language. That's why always Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Fastly observed here. This is a what? Son of your database software. In this database software, what is the purpose of this database software? Which is used to store data, permanently in secondary storage devices in a hard disk only. Okay, na? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. So many applications are there in a very database side. Without a database, there is no software industry. That much powerful. Suppose in a Google, you are typing a what anything where the data is coming from database. Suppose in Amazon and Flipkart, I am also booking a what some items. Yes, order number, those are all item details and the price, whatever price is there, those all details are where it will be storing within a database. Suppose whenever you are okay, railway reservation and flight reservation or bus booking, bus ticket booking, these all the data where it will be storing in a database. That's why without a database, there is no software industry that much of powerful, because data storing is important. But the data is not visible to the end user. But unfortunately, the data is accessed by some professionals are required. Those professionals are called database programmers. Okay, na? Very important. Okay, 1 minute only observed here. Actually, at least Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a popular product, a database product from Oracle Corporation. Yes, this is a relational data model. Is some concept is there that based only they are implementing. Anybody tell me one or two another products, popular products, same like Oracle? Anybody? Very good. One fellow is telling SQL Server. Very good. Correct. SQL Server also one of the popular relational data model product from Microsoft company. Very good. Different company. Again, another product. Very good. MySQL. Some fellows are having idea. MySQL open source. This is also Oracle was purchased nowadays. Okay, not a problem. Same like a Oracle. This is a MySQL also relational data model product. Yes, again, anybody? Tell me another product. Very good. DB2. DB2 from IBM company. This is also relational data model product. Same like Oracle, same like SQL Server, same like a MySQL. Again, anybody tell me another product. Very good. Teradata. Teradata is a what? So now one of the relational data model product from NCR Corporation. Again, Postgres, Ingress, Sybase, Informix. So many database products are there. Those are all database products are okay similar. Why? Because these are relational data model concept. That's why structured query language through we are operating what these products only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Really, these database software stores a what structured collection of data or not? Check it out. 1 minute only. Organized fashion only data is there or not? 1 minute. Observe it here. Don't worry, these are database software. In a future, how we are installing what these database softwares, I will tell you. First, structured collection of data is there or not? Observe it here. Organized fashion only data is there or not? First, check it out. Now observe it here. This is a table is there, yes. And now here, check it out. Here, this is a employee table, Oracle Corporation giving a practice purpose, this table. In this table, here, these are called columns. Employee number, e-name, job, these are called columns. Same like a matrix format is there, no? Yeah. These are called rows only. Here, these are called rows or records like this. Now here, organized fashion only data is there or not? Yes. Now, how we are given the guarantee this is organized fashion means here, concentrate here. This employee number is a column is there. In this column, only numbers are available. Observe it here. Only numbers are available. Again, here, e-name is a column is there. In this column, only characters are available. Strings are available or not? Again, here date is there. Here, higher date is a column is there. In this column, only dates are available. That's why organized fashion only data is there or not? Yes, here a structured format only it will be there or not? A table format only data is there or not? Yes, observe it here. Yes, this is another table. Practice purpose, this simple table. And now here DUPT table. In this table also department number, D name, location, same like these tables. You are also creating those tables only. Here, these are called rows only. Here also organized fashion only data is there or not? Here in this department number column, numbers are there, D name, vocation strings are there, location strings are there or not? That's why always Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these all database softwares only stores a what? Which one? Which type of data? Structured collection of data. Okay, na? Yeah, I know, you know, everyone knows. Now observe it here. That's why in the previous demo classes, I am drawing this diagram. Observe it here. Here, this is a structured collection of data is there. We are operating this data by using a what? SQL is a long base. Up to now, I know, you know, everyone knows. But unfortunately, 1 minute, observe it here. It's talking about. Now, actually, Oracle is a relational data model product. I know, you know, everyone knows. And now check it out. Concentrate here. I am also, you are also software programmer, that is a database programmer. We are operating a what data by using a what, which language? Which language? SQL is a language we are thinking, but unfortunately, not only SQL language. If you want to operate a data by using a what? Yes, here, three languages. One is, it will be stuck in, don't worry. Okay, yeah, one is SQL is a language, structured query language. Another one is PLSQL is a language, extension of the where SQL, that is called PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. PLSQL is a language that is going on in a where in a 10 o'clock daily only. Okay, PLSQL is going on. Okay, so many fellows are attending, recently started. Again, observe it here. Another language is what? Dynamic SQL is a language. Dynamic SQL is a language. Suppose you don't have an idea, dynamic SQL also not a problem. SQL, PLSQL languages, you have an idea. Then by using those languages, we are operating a what? Data in a where Oracle database. So now here in this SQL language, which concepts we are learning means joins is a concept is there. Joins, anybody have an idea? Retrieve the data from multiple tables. That is nothing but a what? Joins. Again, constraints is a concept is there. That is nothing but a what? Primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. These type of keywords are there. Through that one, we are maintaining a what? A proper data. Again, a subquery is a chapter is there in SQL language in every database. Yes, in that subquery side, we are writing a what? Queries. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are attending interview. Interviewer asking, write a query to display nth highest salary employee. Write a query to display second highest salary employee. Write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table. These type of things they are asking only. Okay, na? How you are learning about those all the things means SQL language. 1 minute observed here at least some previous classes to observe here. Suppose here if we want to operate our IKL, then we are using SQL and PLSQL and a dynamic SQL. In this SQL language, what we are learning means just subject awareness purpose. Actually, in SQL language, after installation, some steps I am telling only in academic career side. Anybody have an idea? DDL, DML, here DQL, here TCL, here DCL, these type of things we are learning only. Not only that one, observed here in this SQL language, very important. Once you are good at what fundamental, after that one, main chapters are 1 minute only. Yes, here this one. Joins is a concept we are learning only, joins. If you want to fetch data from multiple tables, joins we are learning. Left outer join, maybe some fellows having idea, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join. So many joins are there, no? Those joins we are learning only. Okay, na? Yeah, very important. Every Java, .NET, Python developer must familiar. Again, here constraints is a chapter is there in this SQL language. In that one, primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, these type of things we are learning. Again, observe it here, concentrate here. Again, another chapter is there, most powerful subqueries. Query with another query. So now here in the chapter, most powerful ever Java, .NET, Python developer must familiar these all the things. Here, how we are retrieving a data efficiently, how we are writing a what queries. Whenever any Java, .NET, Python developers, web-based developers are attending interview, also interviewer asking queries. Where that queries are means here only we are learning. Very important. Again, those are all advanced concept, rank, dense rank, okay, analytical functions, again sequences, synonym, okay, set operators, conversions, regular expressions. So many things we are learning in a where in SQL language side. Okay, yeah. Again, after that one, PLSQL is a language is there. Don't worry. And now here, once you are learning about SQL, here PLSQL is a language is there. Observe here PLSQL. This is procedural language extension for SQL. In a 10 o'clock, okay, up to this one is completed. Anybody interested to attend means parallelly also SQL knowledge on idea means attend it, not a problem. Here observe it here PLSQL. In that one, cursors are available, exceptions are there. Try, catch, throw, finally something is there, no, in a C++, Java languages, no, same like here, runtime errors, handling purpose, exceptions are there. Here subprograms, stored procedures, very important. Up to this one, you have an idea means enough, actually. Suppose you are a Java, you are a .NET, you are a Python, you are a okay, any front-end developer means always you must familiar stored procedures, mandatory. Okay, stored procedure concept mandatory. How we are passing a what a data from a Oracle database into Java application. How we are return the values from the where okay database into where Java application. Again, how can you pass? How can I return the values? Those all the things input parameter, output parameter, in-out mode. So many things are there. Not only Java, Python, .NET, okay, all the front-end languages side. Suppose not only those persons purpose, I am giving a what and more knowledge. Why means so many fellows are struggling to get a job only. They are not good at what Java, .NET, Python. They are applying a job as a PLSQL developer in a company side. Yes, those persons are good knowledge, more knowledge is required. Those persons purpose, advanced concepts also, I will tell you here. PLSQL record collections are there. Bulk bind is a concept is there. Again, RIP cursors are there. Local subprograms who are interested to apply job in a where only PLSQL developers. 3 years, 4 years gap is there. Those persons are struggling. They want to vocation of care, get a what job very easy way. These type of local subprograms, UTL file package, external tables, SQL loader, they are learning means 100% guarantee job. 100%. Very easy. This much of critical situation also easily getting a job based on this depth knowledge. Okay, yeah. That's why always we are learning a what here. so much of syllabus only. That's why parallelly better to attend. What I am intimating to you, whenever you are, yeah, yes, whenever you are vocation of here operating a what Oracle database, then we are using a what so SQL and PLSQL and a dynamic SQL languages. So can I, yeah, here observe here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Today at least one technical concept I will tell you. Concentrate 5 minutes. Concentrate. 5 minutes only now onwards. It will be talking also not problem. 5 minutes concentrate. Actually, I have a doubt only. Slowly observe here. This is a key concept, very important. Suppose I am working in a company. For example, 10 minutes concentrate, very important. I am working in a company. Whenever I am working in a company, I am working in Oracle database. Okay, Oracle project, for example, Oracle database project. I am also, my colleagues also operating a data by using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Okay, I will tell you this language and all these things later. Observe here. I am also, my colleagues also operating a data in this Oracle database. Then I am using a what? My colleagues are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Okay, by using this language, we are operating a data in Oracle database. But software companies means not only a single project only, so many different projects are there. Suppose same like a Oracle relational data model, yes, another product is there that is also popular product, that is SQL server. SQL server is a popular Microsoft product is there, same like a Oracle. Yes, that is a another project is there, some other fellows are working in that project in my company. Yes, who are working in a SQL server, those persons also operating a what data by using a what, which language? SQL is a language. Okay, SQL is a language. Again, some other fellows are working in a where MySQL is a open source only. That is also same like a Oracle, same like a SQL server. That is also relational data model product. Yes, who are working in a where in this database also, those persons are operating by using a what data by using a what, which language? SQL is a language. Observe it here. Up to now, okay, everyone knows. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, these are Teradata, these type of databases, and otherwise in your mobile also, SQLite is a database is there. These are all relational data model products. If you want to operate a what, these relational data model products, we are using a what? SQL is a common language, I am agree. But unfortunately, what is my doubt is, observe it here. These all SQL languages are same or different? Anybody tell me? Only one answer is correct. Okay, Oracle operating means SQL language I am using. SQL server operating means SQL is a language we are using. MySQL operating also SQL language we are using. These all SQL languages are same or different? I am confusing only. Anybody having idea? These all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling what, Murali sir, these all SQL languages are same. They are telling only. That is the wrong answer. Why they are telling a what? That wrong answer means I will tell you. These all SQL languages are different. Different. Why so many Java developers in our class, so many Python developers in our class, so many DevOps developer in our class, they are telling a what? These all SQL languages are same means maybe academic career side, DBMS paper is there, I think. Database paper is there. In that one, some universities and colleges side lab is there. In that one, yes, any database they are using only, okay, either SQL Server, MySQL or Oracle. In that case, maybe 4 or 5 commands are there: insert, update, delete, select. Those commands, same syntax is there. That's why maybe, so who are not practicing a what properly, those persons are, oh, maybe insert, update, delete, select, 4 or 5 commands are common commands are there. Yes, based on that observation of those commands, these all SQL languages are same, they are thinking. But unfortunately, these all SQL languages are not same. These are different. How you are understandable? These are different means very good. So many fellows are telling only Sudhasri, Yogana, Yokesh, Suno, Srikant, you are telling a what? Correct. Yes, here. How you are given the guarantee? These are different means simple technique is there. What is the technique means? Now here, check it out. Observe it here. Concentrate here. What is the technique means? Suppose anybody good at what academic career side, object oriented languages, Same thing I am comparing means then easily understandable. These are all the things. Observe it here. 5 minutes concentrate. Technical persons. Non-technical means just observe it here. Suppose through this one easily understandable how you are remembering me. Simple technique. Suppose anybody having idea? Object oriented languages. Some object oriented languages. C++ is a object oriented language. Popular language. Again, very good. Java is an object oriented language. So observe it here. Concentrate here. In a C++ and Java, these object-oriented languages side, OOPS concepts are there, object-oriented features are there. What are the object-oriented features are available? Object is available. Again, class is available. Inheritance is there. Okay, encapsulation is there. So many things are there or not? Okay, for example, okay, na, yeah, polymorphism is there like this. Okay, na, yeah, these are object-oriented features. Again, in a Java also, OOPS features are there. Yes, same OOPS features are there. Object-oriented features are there in that one. What is object also there? Again, class is there here. Again, inheritance is there. Okay, again, here polymorphism is there. Conceptually, these two same. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? Same only. But unfortunately, you try to create a what object from the class in a where C++. How can I? What is class? What is object? I am not interested to tell. Just technically some concepts I am telling through that comparison in all databases side, same similar things are there or not, check it out. Suppose here, for example, now here, I am creating an object, creating any technical persons are there in our class, tell me, creating an object from the class, how can I in a C++? How you are creating an object from the class means what is the syntax? Very good. Class name. Now anybody tell me class name space object name. Class name space object name is nothing but a what? So now here yes, syntax in a where creating an object from the class. Okay, yeah. Same syntax is there in a where Java? No. Observe here. Creating an object. Why I am telling this one means now you are understandable. Don't worry. Creating an object from the class means what is the syntax in a Java? In a Java side, what is the syntax? Very good. Class name. Yes. Space object name is equal to very good. New class constructor. New class constructor. Okay. Na? Yeah. Yeah. That's why syntactically different or same? Different. This syntax is different. This syntax is different. But conceptually, oops, concepts are same or not? Conceptually same, but syntactically different. And also, functions also different. You are observing or not? Suppose in a C++, I want to display stream output means what is the function we are using? Cout is a function we are using only. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, same function I try to use in a where in a Java side working? No, not working. Here, system dot out dot println something is there or not? Yes, this function. That's why functions are different or same? Functions are different. Syntactically different or same? Syntactically different in these two languages. Again, conceptually object-oriented features, not another concept. Object-oriented features are same or not same? Object-oriented features are same. Conceptually same. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? Same. But creating an object is syntactically different. And functions also different. Same thing is there in a where in your databases also. What is that one means? And now here, concentrate here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Postgres, Ingress, these are all relational data model is a concept is there that based only they are implementing. Okay, fine. These all okay relational data model products operating also one universal language is there. What is that language? SQL language. But unfortunately, SQL is a basically ANSI standard language. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. SQL is a ANSI standard language. SQL is a ANSI standard language which is used to operate all relational databases. But slight difference is there. Same like a Java, same like a C++. Slowly observe here. Now here Oracle is there. No? Yeah. Now you are understandable. Oracle. Here SQL Server is there. No? Yeah. Here MySQL is there. No? Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Screen observe it. from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. That's why in our class in a future we are learning about Oracle SQL language. Again, Microsoft product, okay, SQL Server, no, yeah. Here, from this ANSI standard SQL, Microsoft creating a what? Their own SQL language from these standards, their own SQL language that is called SQL Server SQL. That's why who are learning about .NET course, who are working in a Power BI, those persons are working in a where, okay, you learning in a where SQL Server SQL. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, they are creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called MySQL SQL. Who are PHP programmers are there? Some open source, some Java developers are using a what? MySQL in a company side, MySQL SQL language. That's why by SQL is a universal language. I'm agree. From that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language. Microsoft created their own SQL language that is SQL Server SQL. Teradata creating their own SQL language that is called Teradata SQL. But in our class, which SQL we are learning? Oracle SQL we are learning. But how we are differentiate these means these all are conceptually same like OOPS concepts conceptually. Table is there, procedure is there, function is there, trigger is there, package is there, cluster is there, this is sequence is there, synonym is there, some database objects are same, conceptually same, but syntactically different. One or two comments same, but syntactically totally different. And also functions also different. Functions also different. How you are understandable that one means same like a Java, same like a C++ is there no in a previous case. A same comparison only. Here, your functions also different. Suppose whenever you are performing arithmetic operation on the null values, again it will become a null in a Oracle database, in a database side. Yes, how you are overcome this problem in a Oracle means, yes, you are a good Oracle programmer means you are using a what? NVL is a function. In a technical persons are there in our class, they have an idea. Yes, by using NVL function, we are resolving a what that problem. Same function I try to use in SQL server possible? No. Why? Because that is a different language only. And now here, yes, that's why I observe it here. Yes, here same function impossible, but a different function is there. What is that one? Is null is a function. Same problem. Yes, any arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a null. To overcome that problem, yes, so SQL server programmers are using a what? Is null is a function. Again, MySQL programmers are using a what? Same, okay, NVL? No. Here, if null is a function only in a same problem also. That's why functions are also different and also syntactically different and also conceptually same. Okay, na? Yeah, that is better. Yes, better to remember like this. That's why SQL is an ANSI standard language which works with all relational databases also. But from that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language. Yes, Microsoft created their own SQL language. SQL Server programmer using a what? SQL Server SQL. Oracle programmer using a what? Oracle SQL. That's why in our class we are learning a what? Oracle SQL, but functions are different. Conceptually, same only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. For example, now screen observe it. Here, don't worry. This is Oracle in a future. How can I install? What is that one? I will tell you. Don't worry all the things. So now check it out. Concentrate here. Here, today date I want to view means in a Oracle side, some command I'm typing only. Don't worry. Yes, here observe here 21st May 2025. Now I want to add a what 1 month into the where this date means add underscore months is a function is there. In a C language, printf scanning functions are there. No? Same like Oracle side, add underscore months is there. Through that one, we are adding a what a 1 month, 2 month like this only possible or not? Yes, possible. June like this only it will display or not? Yes. But same function add underscore months we are adding in a where in SQL server working. No, date add is there. That is a different function. That's why functions also different. Very important. Functions different only. Okay, na? Yes, here you are remembering a what that one means easily understandable. That's why always 1 minute observe here. Always, whenever we are operating a what Oracle database, then we are using a what? Then we are using a what? SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL languages. Okay, na? Yeah. Here, 1 minute observe here. Anybody Java developers are there in our class? Those persons are good at what? Regular expressions. Anybody have any idea? Those regular expressions are used in our JavaScript side, VB script side, like that only. Those all the things in our class also, Oracle 10G onwards, we are learning that much of powerful. And now observe here, yes, these are regular expression, POSIX notations. These advanced concepts we are learning. Okay, yeah, this is helpful in not only Oracle SQL Server, MySQL, all the databases on Java, .NET, Python, these type of languages, Unix, okay, Linux, these type of okay, so languages side, all the things here, symbols are there, no? Plus means different, star means different, question mark means different, quantifiers are there here, these are special symbols are there, back references are there. Again, through that one, yes, Aadhaar card validation, mail ID validation, phone number validation, maybe Java developers having idea, I think. Here, 1 minute only, observe it here. Yes, mail ID validation, these are inter questions or not? Yes, here. Again, PAN card validation. Okay, na? Yeah. In India, Aadhaar card is there, no? Yes, here. Aadhaar card validation. Yes, Aadhaar card validation. These are all the things how they are writing or coding in a real-time project side means some coding is there very easy. Okay, so now once you are good at what symbols, then automatically easily understandable or not? Yes, yeah. That's why always Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate a what Oracle product, then we are using database product, then we are using which languages? SQL, PLSQL, and dynamic SQL languages. In our class, we are learning about SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL languages. Through that one, we are operating a data in a Oracle database. This course is very helpful in a Java, .NET, Python, any type of software engineer side also. But half of the thing you are learning also enough. Why? Because SQL side joins, subqueries you are learning enough. In a PLSQL side, stored procedure is a concept is there. No? That one you are learning means enough. That is front end language side you are operating. Suppose you are a Java programmer, means JDBC project side, you are operating a what stored procedures through. Again, you are a .NET programmer, means ADO.NET is a concept is there. That is we are operating by using a what stored procedure. That is enough. Interview point of view, subquery is enough. But you are a okay applying in a where PLSQL developer, maybe okay. So now here anybody interested to apply a job in a where pure PLSQL developer. In that case, more syllabus. This one is required. Okay, na? Yeah, this much of depth. That's why I am telling you. Again, anybody interested to work in a where in a data warehousing technologies like okay Talent and Informatica, these type of tools means only little bit of SQL knowledge is enough. SQL is very helpful in a way, anywhere in a project side also. Anywhere in a tools you are learning also. Suppose testing tools you are learning, little bit of SQL knowledge is required. Again, Talent you are learning, little bit of SQL knowledge is required. Again, Informatica is a tool you are learning. Yes, Power BI tool you are learning, little bit of SQL knowledge is required. That's why without SQL there is no okay database projects that much of powerful. Minimum basic knowledge is required. That's why nowadays so many fellows are at least they are learning what is what, how you are writing a queries. Those are all the things only. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough. This is a first small demo class. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Maybe so many fellows are academic career side, some little bit of basics, they have an idea, I think. Anybody having idea? Yes, very good. Some fellows having idea. Now one fellow is asking, Murali sir, do you cover Oracle Data Integrator or Oracle Golden Gate? No. In this course, Oracle Golden Gate, Oracle Data Integrator is not there. Okay, na? Yeah. Only SQL, PL, SQL, Dynamic SQL languages. This is syllabus is different. Okay. Anywhere in a Oracle database means this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Yeah. Thank you. Tomorrow continue. it will take 3.5 months. Okay, yeah. For SQL PL, SQL parallelly better to attend. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.